In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a multicolored surface-based texture material. This method can be used to control the overall look of the linear gradient as well. This is a normal brick texture-based material. We can change the colors, but how do we go about changing the material's surface color? It would be cool if we could have a texture pattern with a gradient background. If we try to mix the texture node with a color ramp node, this issue would occur. The mix node used was a mix RGB node, not the usual mix shader node. There are 4 color-based gradient on the color ramp node, but we don't see them in the final material. One way to see it would be adding a gradient texture node to the color ramp node. This is good, but we can't effectively control the gradient color regions of the materials. I'll show you the final set of nodes. Without using the gradient texture node, the same linear gradient effect was achieved by using the map range and the separate XYZ. This is something we cannot do with the linear gradient node. This set of nodes is not just for brick texture node, but for the rest of the texture nodes as well. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.